This P0701 repairing video is dedicated to Suzuki's drivers. If your Suzuki is getting a P0701 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the ZUS app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0701. It indicates that the transmission control module detects a malfunction with the transmission controls. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Suzuki's P0701 error code. Method A, the transmission control module. The transmission control module can often be found below the cover at the back of the transmission case. It should be just below the engine control module's position. Visually check the transmission control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the transmission control module. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Suzuki's P0701 error code. After the repair, you can now use the ZUS app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.